In the annals of aviation history, few mysteries have captured the world's attention quite like the disappearance of Malaysian Airlines flight MH370. A regular flight departing Kuala Lumpur for Beijing suddenly erased from radar screens in March 2014. The incident sent shockwaves across the globe, sparking a flurry of international search efforts and stirring a cauldron of speculation. A routine flight that vanished into thin air, leaving behind a trail of questions and theories. The clock turned back to the 8th of March 2014, a day that started like any other for the passengers and crew of MH370. The Malaysian Airlines Boeing 777 was embarking on a seemingly routine flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. The jet, bearing 239 souls, lifted into the clear night sky, charting a course over the South China Sea. The last known communication was a simple yet haunting, "Good night, Malaysian 370. Then something inexplicable occurred. The transponder, a device that communicates the airplane's speed, altitude and position, abruptly ceased transmitting. The airplane veered sharply from its planned route, embarking on a journey towards the unknown. Air traffic control lost contact, and the world held its breath, waiting for news that never came. It was as if MH370 had vanished into thin air. And then, in the blink of an eye, MH370 was gone. In the hours following the disappearance, a massive multinational search operation was launched. Countries from around the globe banded together, pooling their resources and expertise in an unprecedented display of international cooperation. This was no small task. The southern Indian Ocean, where the search was concentrated, is a vast expanse of turbulent waters and treacherous depths. The search teams faced formidable challenges, from the sheer size of the search area to the unpredictable weather and the remote location far from any landmass. Nations deployed ships, aircraft and satellites, while experts pored over data, trying to piece together the flight's last known trajectory. Despite their tireless efforts and the cutting-edge technology at their disposal, the search proved to be a daunting task. The search zone was like looking for a needle in a haystack, but the haystack was the size of a continent and the needle was lost somewhere at the bottom of the ocean. But as the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, MH370 remained elusive. With no concrete evidence, a myriad of theories began to emerge. The mystery of flight MH370's disappearance led to a whirlwind of speculations. Some suggested mechanical failures, a plausible explanation given the intricate nature of aviation technology, yet the absence of distress signals from the aircraft rendered this theory less likely. Then there were theories about the actions of the pilot and co-pilot. Some pointed to a deliberate act by one or both veering the plane off course. But without tangible evidence, these remained just theories. A more chilling theory was that of a hijacking. Yet with no group claiming responsibility and no ransom demands, this too was mired in doubt. While theories circulated, international aviation organisations spearheaded rigorous investigations. The Australian Transport Safety Bureau led the charge, coordinating a multinational effort to locate the missing aircraft. These investigations have been some of the most extensive in aviation history, covering vast expanses of the southern Indian Ocean. Despite the colossal efforts, the search has yielded little. There have been tantalizing pieces of debris, believed to be from the missing plane, washing up on distant shores. But these fragments have brought us no closer to understanding what really happened. As we delve deeper into the realm of the unknown, we continue to grapple with the complexities of this aviation enigma. Despite the exhaustive investigations, the final resting place of MH370 and the circumstances of its disappearance remain unknown. The disappearance of MH370 has left an indelible mark on the world of aviation. The event was a wake-up call, prompting a thorough examination of existing regulations and procedures. It led to a renewed emphasis on the importance of effective tracking and communication systems for commercial flights. In the wake of the tragedy, the aviation industry has seen significant changes. For instance, The International Civil Aviation Organization mandated a 15-minute tracking interval for aircraft in distress. This was a major step towards addressing the tracking limitations that hindered the search for MH370. Moreover, the incident has spurred advancements in technology. We now see increased adoption of satellite-based tracking and real-time data streaming that could potentially prevent such an incident from recurring. While the mystery of MH370 continues to intrigue us, it also serves as a stark reminder of the need for relentless progress in aviation safety.